How to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile. So if you want to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile, like in your iPhone or your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Roblox application at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, after opening your Roblox application, you need to just go with More, which will be on the bottom right here. And once you tap on More, you need to scroll all the way down and you will find an option of Create, which is right here. Tap on Create, and now you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then it will take it to the home section, right? Now you just need something to go with the arrow, which is right here under the Creator Hub, and then tap on Dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll see your Roblox place. Every Roblox account has at least one default place for your Game Pass to work in. Please donate. It needs to be connected to a public place. Find your place in the list and select it. If your place is private, tap the 3 dots, which will be in the top right corner, and choose to make it public. You'll have the 3 dots right here on the top right. Tap on it and tap on Make Public. In my case, it says Make Private because mine is already public. After your place is public, tap on it and open its settings, which will be in the top left. You will have that 3 horizontal lines. You need to tap on it. Now scroll down to the monetization section. Now under the monetization section, you will have passes. You need to tap on passes. Now tap on Create a Pass. In this section, you have the option to upload any image from your Game Pass. This step is optional. Keep in mind that any image that you use must follow the Roblox rules and will be reviewed by their moderation team. Breaking the rules could lead to your account being banned. After optionally adding an image, give your pass a name and then write a description if you'd like, although it's not required. Once you've done, scroll down and then tap on Create Pass. This will bring you back to the passes page again, where you'll see your newly created Game Pass listed with off sale written under it. Tap on the Game Pass that you've just created and go with the top left again, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then under this, you need to go with the sales section. Tap on Sales. Now turn the option off, which is Item for Sale. Make sure that this is turned on, and then enter the default price that you would like to add, and then go with Save Changes, which will be on the bottom. Now you need to save your pass successfully. After that, go with the back button, and you will see a Game Pass that you've just created with the current price, and the regional pricing will also be enabled. Now close the Create section by tapping X on the top left. Then return to the Roblox home screen. Now search for Please Donate, select it and tap on Play. So I found the Please Donate right here. You need to just select the Please Donate and then go with Play, which will be on the bottom. Once the game loads, find an unclaimed stand, walk up to it and press and hold Claim Stand. After claiming it, your Game Passes will appear on the stand. That's how you can make a Game Pass and Please Donate on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.